Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Bernie and today I want to show you my setup, my new light setup because I wanted to up my game. I have been using the slim LED panels from Newer for the past 4 to 5 months and it's okay. I'm not really happy about it. And right now I have done my research and I went with pretty excited. So join me to unbox the boxes that I have right now. Yeah, I'm pretty pumped. From the big box down to the small one right here. Okay, so this one doesn't have any tape. Right away, guys. It's in this bag. It comes with a very nice bag. So what do I have here? This one is basically a parabolic softbox from Laofas. And I saw this from TLDR. He reviewed it and set it up. So yeah, let me show you the egg crate that it comes with. This one. And this one goes around to the main soft light. It's going to be the last part that you're gonna put in so that the light will only focus on you and it won't spill all over the place, which I really wanted. So I have two of these and the first one is a small one, which you'll put first, and the second one. Alright guys, so next box that I'm gonna open is this one. Maybe you know already, huh? The SL series, the Godox video light, the SL60W, which is amazing. I heard a lot of good reviews about this, but I still have to see for myself. And upon opening the box, we have some manuals here. Get 5% per gear shopping points, warranty card, yeah, Q-Pass, and the manual itself, okay? And next is we have this, wow, a very long cable, IEC, which is good because it's long and it's not gonna hurt if it's longer, right? Better than the shorter ones. So, and it looks heavy duty and it feels heavy duty. Next is we have a bunch of colored diffusers, I guess. We just have to put this like kind of like that, but don't use this as your shower cap, okay? I don't think I'm gonna use all these, so keep this in the bag. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this as my main key light together with the Laofas Parabolic Softbox. It's exciting, guys. Alrighty. Woo! Never gets old opening boxes, guys. It's always awesome. First is we look at the light itself. Oh wow, it has a weight to it, a little bit heavy. Plastic here, and is this plastic still? Oh no, the body is kind of aluminum with a very well built plastic here, and this one is plastic as well. So this one you have to push this backwards and then turn this around and then remove. This one is just a cap, and wow, look at that, guys. It looks really nice and yeah, I think it's well built. And this one is aluminum. Oh wow, I don't know what this is called, head or reflector or whatever, but I won't be using this because I'll be using this again with the Laofas Parabolic Softbox. And it comes with a remote control, which is nice, and you need 2 AAA batteries right there. And I saw some reviews that this particular controller doesn't really sync with the light when you control it. So it's kind of delayed, or yeah, it doesn't sync at all. But I have to see for myself if that's the case. So guys, the good thing about this is basically the Godox has a Bowens mount, wherein you can put a lot of accessories. So there's a lot of options. But this time around, I'll use this exclusively to that Godox to act as my main light, as my key light. And this will definitely soften the light. Oh wow, it's so easy, guys. See, I'm done. OMG. And I've seen a lot of YouTube videos that they're having a hard time pushing it. But this one, it's so light, man. I'm already impressed. Look at that, guys. I can hide in this thing. I fit. It fits me well. This is actually dual purpose because you can use this as an umbrella. The only downside is there's a hole. I would assume that this one with a thread, this one goes inside because you want the clean part to be outside. There you go, guys, done with the first part. So this one is actually using Velcro. So what I do is I'm just gonna put it kind of like near the inner part, inner side, so that I have space for the egg crate for more diffused light. The setup is not too bad, actually. The one that I have been waiting for. Oh wow, the egg crate. So what I'm gonna do is, yeah, but we will see. Oh wow, guys, freaking amazing. This gets me really excited. I don't know what to say. So guys, I will be replacing that LED panel right there. And this is going to be my main key light. And that LED panel will just be on this side so that I can have another angle when I wanna do a lot of talking heads as well here on this part. And if I have another budget and I will see if this is really great for my setup, then maybe I'll buy another one. But for now, I'm good. I have to test it out. So yeah, let's set everything up right now. Cute boy right there. Mochee! And then tighten it. So this is basically already high, yeah? So just open this. Just be careful. Oh wow. So easy, man. Wow, so easy, easy. Oh, wow. Look at that. This particular stand is not ideal since, see, it's bending already, but I might get a C stand or I'll use the other one that I use for weddings. It's a heavy duty one. It's a newer brand again, but this one I don't think this will really hold it because, see, it's bending already. So it's a no-go, guys. Safety first, but I'll just try. Let's see how it goes. You have to get it closer. Yeah, so now it's angled 45 degrees. Wow, it's crazy. It's crazy. And this size is kind of like the size of the Aperture Light Dome 2, which is, yeah, for the amount of money that you're gonna pay with this, I think this is a good buy, basically. And the good thing about this is you can see there's like a channel. So I would think that you can change the channel here, and you can see the degrees. Now it's 24 degrees Celsius at 60%. Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome back to the channel. Oh man, it's too soft, wow. So the thing is, this one's in the way. This is actually my DIY microphone holder, my shotgun mic, which is the Audio Technica AT875R. And I have this newer Arca Swiss plate, wherein I just put that camera, my Sony CV1. Wow, have you noticed something? I think there is something different right now. Man, this light is amazing. Actually, it's amazing already, guys. So there you go, guys. That was the unboxing of the SL60W and the Laofas Parabolic Softbox, which is amazing, by the way. A great combination. And let me tell you right now that this particular remote control works just fine. I've seen a lot of reviews that they're having problems with the remote control because they say that this remote control doesn't really sync with the light itself. But mine is working perfectly fine, and I can adjust it all the way to 100, like for this example. Alright, it's getting brighter, and I can adjust it all the way to 10%. A lot of content creators were saying that you can't adjust it to 10% on the remote, and you can only go up to 25% here. But maybe Godox knew what the problem was, so they fixed it. Now, see, I'm almost to 10%. There you go, I will show you. I think you can see that, right? 10%. So it's working perfectly fine, guys. And now my light is dark, and now I'm gonna go back up to 80. I think 80 looks best with my setup right now. And I'm running a GH5 with a 2.5 aperture and 250 ISO. And man, wow, I love this lens. What a big difference on my studio setup. So there you go, guys. I hope you like the unboxing as well as the setup of this Godox SL60W. And maybe in the future, I will be doing a review of this amazing light. But so far, so good. Thanks a lot for joining me, guys. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and of course subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll appreciate that. And definitely hit that bell notification for more amazing videos. So that's about it. Bernie Hippos right here. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye for now. What can I do to make it perfect?